Hi, I'm Mia Sin, the registered dietitian behind nutritionbymia.com. Today I have for you the ultimate tasting menu featuring beef jerky. What's a tasting menu, you might ask? A tasting menu features a variety of often bite-sized dishes that are served as individual courses. While you might expect around 3 courses on a standard menu, such as an appetizer, main dish, and dessert, a tasting menu can feature 5 to 12. So gather up your meat-loving friends for this tasty and nutritious beef jerky tasting menu featuring 5 delicious flavors of Chomps. Chomps meat snacks come in 9 unique flavors, each with 9 to 10 grams of protein per stick and 60 to 100 calories. They're made with grass-fed and finished beef and venison, as well as free-range, antibiotic-free turkey. Chomps are free from GMOs, gluten, soy, dairy, and added sugar. They're a snack you can feel good about feeding the whole family, but beyond snacking, they make a great recipe addition. First, we are kicking off the tasting menu with hors d'oeuvres. Grain-free pigs in a blanket made with the original beef Chomps. This flavor has the classic jerky taste we know and love, savory, slightly smoky with not too much spice for those that like their jerky on the milder side. Start by slicing original beef Chomps into 3 equal-sized pieces and set aside. For your dough, combine a ½ cup of blanched almond flour, a ½ cup of tapioca flour, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 egg, and a pinch of salt. Roll out your dough into a thin layer, cut into long strips. Roll each piece around your chomp sticks and repeat. Place on a greased baking sheet and bake for 15 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next up on the tasting menu is a Tuscan sausage soup made with the Italian-style beef Chomps, which packs all the flavor of an Italian-style meatball and just the right balance of flavorful spices, oregano, basil, onion, and garlic. For this recipe, start with a large pot on the stovetop over medium-high heat. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 chopped up Chomps Italian-style beef stick, 1 diced onion, 3 cloves of minced garlic, 1 cup of chopped carrots, 1 teaspoon each of red pepper flakes and Italian seasoning, and salt and pepper to taste. Cook for about 5 to 10 minutes or until the veggies start to soften. Add 1 can of diced tomatoes, 1 can of rinsed white beans, 2 cups of kale, and 4 cups of beef broth. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer and cook for about 10 minutes. Next up on the tasting menu, we have a Southwestern salad made with the jalapeno turkey Chomps. This is a flavor that spicy lovers will not want to miss out on. It adds just the right amount of kick, which comes from real jalapenos. Start with your dressing. Whisk together 1 cup of sour cream or plain Greek yogurt, 1 juiced lime, 1 tablespoon of ancho chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, a ½ teaspoon of garlic, and salt and pepper to taste. In a large bowl, add 2 cups of chopped romaine, 1 chopped tomato, 1 diced bell pepper, a 1/4 of a red onion diced, a 1/4 cup of corn, a 1/4 cup of black beans, a chopped up jalapeno turkey chomp stick, and fresh cilantro. Pour your dressing on top and toss to combine. Next up, pepperoni Portobello pizza bites, made with none other than the new pepperoni turkey Chomps. This jerky stick is filled with a blend of spices that give it that bold, slightly spicy pepperoni flavor, including chili pepper, fennel seed, and oregano. Remove the stems from the Portobello mushroom caps. Bake for 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit to soften. Top each mushroom cap with pizza sauce, cheese, and pepperoni turkey Chomps. Bake for another 10 minutes or until the cheese is melted, and top with fresh basil. Finally, it's not a tasting menu without dessert. Get ready for honey-baked figs topped with the original turkey Chomps. This flavor adds the perfect, slightly smoky, slightly spicy, savory touch to this feel-good dessert. Slice figs in half and place in a pre-greased baking pan. Top with goat cheese, drizzle with honey, and sprinkle a chopped up original turkey Chomp stick on top. Bake for 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I hope you enjoyed these tasting menu ideas and tips for creating your own beef jerky tasting menu at home. For more easy snacks and recipes like this, be sure to subscribe to the Chomps channel. You can also grab Chomps at a store near you and check out the store locator in the description below. See you next time.